Hey, what's up, guys? This is Miguel Rivas. You already know me here in Facebook and Instagram. I'm doing this video because I wanted to create something unique for y'all. Um, been in the recruiting business for the last 13 years and being a salesman for more than 13 years. And I want to share some great content with y'all. Share what tools do I use, what CRM, what strategies I use. So basically, this is gonna be a channel just to share content related to strategy, marketing, sales, and all that type of deal. My main goal here is to give back what I have learned and what I have learned solo. So thanks for watching this video. Um, my videos are not gonna be really uh, what should I say? Not like any other streamers or YouTubers with doing some heavy editing because I'm bad at it. But I'm gonna make sure to bring value and with short videos with 5 to 10 minutes video, sharing my screen and sharing what I have learned. So I hope y'all appreciate this. I hope y'all have a good time. You can look for my profile on YouTube, Miguel Rivas dash your marketing body. And thank you for watching this video. Look forward to connect with you next week. Take care. Goodbye.